Deep inside Southeast Asia's rainforest, there's a bird that looks completely unreal. Bright green body, electric blue face, and two long tail feathers trailing behind it like sunlit ribbons drifting through the jungle. This is the long-tailed broadbill, and those tails create the illusion of slow-motion flight. When sunlight hits the canopy, the streamers sway and bounce behind the bird like green streamers weaving through the trees. But somehow, this flashy bird can still vanish into the rainforest in seconds. One moment you see those impossible tails drifting through the air, the next, gone. And during nesting season, these birds become master builders. Both parents work together to create elaborate hanging nests, pear-shaped and suspended high above the forest floor, using moss, roots, leaves, and spider webs to stitch everything together. Nature basically combined a floating ribbon, a tiny architect, and a vanishing act into one bird.